What's up everybody, J Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. Welcome to an entire new year. How's it going out there? Oh, that's great. The squad, Mike T's, 12 Apparel, You Dig Lifestyle, myself, oh yeah, we're coolin'. The group, hashtag squad, oh yeah, it'll be linked below. Nah, no real resolutions. But yeah, the same goal definitely though. 10,000 subscribers, end of the year. Yeah, you could definitely help with that. Oh, just subscribe to the channel. Oh, you've done that already? Oh, that's even better. Well, just tell a friend or three. Yeah, certainly that helps. Yes, we do got a lot to catch up on. But forgive me, I'm rambling on. Today's video, real quick. Sublimation question. When you're sublimating, does the shirt have to be 100% polyester? Does the shirt have to be all white? All that and more, the inquiring minds want to know. 2021, what a bug out, right? Soon we'll have flying cars, or at the very least, a lot more kind people. I can certainly see that. Anyway, I'm going to turn the press on, 400 degrees, 60 seconds, and we'll catch up. It's been ages. Haven't seen you guys since last year. I want to know all about it. Do tell. Nah, but seriously though, you guys, stick around. Well, yeah, stick around. If you have to go, come back. I'll certainly be here. And like I said, yeah, I want to know all about it. Okay, you guys, so the press is set for 400 degrees, 60 seconds. We're going to sublimate on this pink shirt here. It's going to be a 50% cotton, 50% polyester, Gilded Performance shirt. Remember, when you're sublimating, you also want to have your lint brush. Get the lint out of your garment, prevent those blue streaks. Also, you want to give it a pre-press about 5 seconds. Get any moisture out of your shirt. Next is the butcher paper. You want to have one in between your, on the inside of your shirt rather, and then one on the top. And be careful to inspect your paper to make sure there's no ink. I've ruined a few shirts that way. Okay, so next, you got your image. You want to apply it 3 fingers down from the collar. Second piece of butcher paper. This is going to prevent the bleed through with your ink. "60 seconds. So what's new with you guys? Any of you guys starting YouTube channels or any of that good stuff? How many of you guys have did your first press? That's what's up. I remember my first press like it was yesterday. Yeah, definitely. Any of you guys looking forward to the ISS show in Long Beach? Nice. And you know what? I forgot an ever so important step here. I forgot the heat tape. Luckily, I don't see any ghosting in my image. (50-50). 50% cotton, 50% polyester. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. If it didn't, I apologize if any of you guys got dizzy. Anyway, but this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. As always, you guys be kind. And I'll see you on the next one. 2021. Possibilities are infinite. And this is one that's been washed already. And if I can, I'll try to have some video footage of the before. And like I said, these hold up pretty well. And I use them mainly for the vintage look.